G'day Dirty Mutters. Well, today I've got some exciting news. DMW has partnered with our friends Mountain Hatch from USA. Now Mountain Hatch make food grade tailgate tables for dual cab utes and a range of wagons. Today I've got one that I'm going to install on our 105 series to show you how easy it is to do. So let's get this unboxed and check it out. So let's have a quick look at the tailgate table. Obviously it comes with the clips that we need. It's got awesome Mountain Hatch logo, made in the USA. We've got a section here that you can put drinks or anything else to hold, so recesses. And you've got all this prep area for doing your cooking, which we'll do another video and show everyone how easy to clean and how good of a surface it is to work on. But before we do that, let's get the old carpet off. Come over here to me trusty DMW tool roll holder. I've got my clip tool and simple, it's going around finding the little clips. Look at that. We do have a broken clip. He didn't come out. Anyway, stick him back down in there. Get the tailgate table, lift that up. Line up the clips. I reckon it should be as simple as just righto, I'm just going to start them off, so make sure we get all the holes right. Absolutely that simple, guys. One clip tool. That's all I used to fit this awesome tailgate table. So there you have it. So simple. All I've got left to do now is throw me camping stuff in here, me cooking jazz, and go out and check out how easy and great this is to prep your tucker on. So to celebrate DMW and Mountain Hatch's new relationship, guys, we are giving free shipping on all tailgate tables and 50% off these awesome chopping boards. So jump onto the DMW website and grab yourself a bargain today. Anyway guys, catch me for the next video where I show you about prepping food on the tailgate table and how easy it is to clean. I'll catch you then, guys.